Good afternoon, all of you. BA Part 1 Semester 2nd. So, here I taught to you in previous lecture about the unit first skill focus non textual. And in this video, I taught to you, means previous videos, I taught to you types of reading skills and common reading problems, situational communication, making requests, seeking permission and information, etc. Today we are going to learn about essay writing. And we know essay writing is a very important, and we have been learning essay writing from 5th standard, 10th standard, 12th standard. So, essay writing. Personal, environmental, science and technology and narrative essays. Like in this type, essays have been written. कशामध्ये एसे आपण नेहमी लिहिल्या जाते पर्सनल एसे. तर पर्सनल एसेमध्ये मॉन्टेग्न हे जे रायटर आहे फेमस आहे, मॉन्टेग्न रायटर खूप फेमस आहे. त्यानंतर ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह एसेस. ऑब्जेक्टिव्ह एसेसमध्ये फेमस आहे फ्रान्सिस बेकन. वी नो फ्रान्सिस बेकन मीन्स if you take the name of the objective essay, so Francis Bacon essays are important, and you should also read also Francis Bacon essays. Francis Bacon's style of writing after a narrative quotation means his essays are famous in all means types of literature. Another environmental essay, science essay, technological essay and narrative essays. An essay is written work that express the author's idea. That is definition. essay काय आहे, एक रिटन वर्क आहे आणि त्याच्यामध्ये जे ऑथर आहे त्यांची आयडिया तिथं लिहिल्या जाते, त्याची एस सी. यू कॅन ऑल्सो राईट द एस सी अँड यू ऑल्सो रोट एसी इन एक्झाम असतो, 12th स्टँडर्ड एक्झाम एक्सेट्रा. 12वीमध्ये आपण एसी लिहिलेच आहे. एसी लिहिणं म्हणजे काय असं खूप मोठं गोष्ट आहे बा असं काही नाही आहे, आणि ते तुम्ही लिहिलेले आहे. You can write the essay on the cow, pet animal, domestic animal, after that great peoples, mother, father, etc. Opinions about a subject. However, the term is often employed to refer to any written work, regardless of whether it includes detail of narrative or description, personal opinion, or information on any particular subject. तर एखाद्या सब्जेक्टमध्ये तुमची पर्सन म्हणा, नॅरेटिव्ह म्हणा, टेक्निकल म्हणा, ते इन्फॉर्मेशन दिली जाते, त्यालाच आपण काय म्हणायचं, एसे म्हणायचं. द वर्ड एसे कम्स फ्रॉम फ्रेंच टर्म. बघा आता फ्रेंच टर्मपासून तो म्हणजे वर्ड आलेला आहे. फ्रेंच टर्म SIE स्पेलिंग बघा, ESSAI, ESSI किंवा इसाई यामध्ये शब्दापासून एसे हा शब्द आलेला आहे. दॅट इज अ मीन्स फ्रेंच टर्म. ओके. वॉज फर्स्ट यूज बाय द ग्रेट फ्रेंच थिंकर मॉन्टेग्नो. यस, ऑलरेडी आय टेल. रिमेंबर स्पेलिंग ऑफ मॉन्टेग्नो. आय विल आस्क इन द वायवा. MONTAIGNE मॉन्टेग्नो. MONTAIGNE. This is the spelling of this writer, and this writer firstly used, and this writer is from French country, and he used the this word essay. Okay. Who wrote about his feelings and opinions on certain topics like idleness, agony, and so on. In the late 16th century, through the ages, essays have developed into major form literature, and after that in 16th century came in literature. And now we are learning in compulsory English as well as in English literature. Many types of writing such as the magazine, article and newspaper, editorial are in essay form. Yes, any means article in the newspaper. If you read the Hitwaz newspaper, so their article is written in essay. So that is the very important. You remember all this thing about essay. So this is the background of the essay. You remember the name of the Montaigne, Francis Bacon, and you study properly. Definitely, question on the ACF will be asked in university exam. So this is very important, and generally will ask for the 5 marks. So you study properly, and this is not means new topic for you. This is old. Already you are learning in previous education like 12th standard or 10th standard. So in this way, I am stopped here. Next portion of this topic or this essay writing topic we will learn in next lecture. Thank you.